Good day to you and Happy New Year once again. This is another free online training, the one I promised the people in my group that I'm going to drop tonight. And today we shall be discussing on how to grow your business in 2019. How to grow your business in 2019. It is very important that we decide to grow our business. Many of us, for the past few years, we have tried our hands into many things. We have been in startups and we have, having a steady progress in our businesses. But we are going to discuss few points. We are going to deliberate on few points on how to grow your business in 2019. I remain the same, Eitayo Ogunshola, a business consultant. Today we shall be talking on different areas that we have to consider in growing our business. We shall be discussing planning our business, brand your business, develop workable strategy, grow customer base, customer service, good customer service, evaluate your business or self-evaluation, and we shall conclude. Now, in growing our business, what is business growth? Business growth is an improvement of some part of success of a business. It's also a stage where business reaches the point of expansion, and seek additional options to generate more profits. There's an optimal level where a business needs to top up its game. And when the indices are showing that the business is growing, for example, in the area of turnover, if for example you are making a certain figure in a month, let's give an hypothetical example. Maybe in a particular shop, a retailer shop, you are making like 100,000 naira per month. We may decide to increase turnover, to, let's assume, by 20%, 120,000 naira the other month. When a business decides to, increase some parameters of business, that is business growth. Business growth can be achieved through the following: when we are boosting revenue, then when we have greater product or service income, when we have increasing productivity, and when we minimize costs. All these are factors that can, ensure business growth. Now, the first thing to consider when you are, planning to increase or to grow in your business, or you must consider this year as you plan to grow your business, is plan your business. And what are the different steps to planning? We have to consider the following things when we are planning our business. We have to write down our daily activities. Many of us, we don't formalize our activities in the office because we work on our own. We are not working for anybody. We don't document our activities. It's very important for us because we shall go to the other aspect where we need to evaluate our performances. So we need to write down our activities. The next thing we shall look is you have to identify your area of weaknesses or weakness. There's nobody that doesn't have his strength or his weakness. You have to identify your areas, the area of weakness, so that you can work on them. Then you need to get direction. What is the direction? What are you going? It's not as if they will introduce another business for you today. You will now change focus. Then you have to focus on your niche. You have to be an expert in something. You don't have to be a jack of all trades, matter of nothing. Then you have to study and research in your business. You have to be an expert. People have to know you for that business. People have to know you for that in that area. You should be the master. Let people look for you when it comes to that business. Then make a determination this year to grow. Now, the next thing you have to consider when you are growing your business, or what you need to grow your business in 2019, that you should brand your business. Now, under branding your business, there are 3 things we will consider. We have to brand ourselves, we have to brand the office or location, and when you are branding the office or location, you have to now, I will encourage you to use websites or online tools that can boost your image. Brand your product and services. Now, another thing you have to look at as you make a conscious effort to grow your business is develop a workable strategy. Develop a workable strategy. You need to look down, and that's the reason why we, under planning, we said you need to research. Make conscious effort to increase your sales and turnover. You have to consider the following. Pricing. Is your pricing competitive? Is it at optimal level? Can your pricing justify the profit level you need to make your business to grow? You have to consider managing your cost of production, your cost generally. You have to consider managing it. You shouldn't be a miser to at the detriment of the growth of your business. Then also, is your advert visible to your customer? Does it have the right target? Are you just advertising for fun or because you want to follow the trend? No, your advert must hit the right target. Then grow your customer base. You need to consider your customer. Consider a good to have a good customer service. Now, under this, you have to retain your customer, you have to serve your customer, you have to pamper your customer, and you have to listen to them. When you listen to them, you give them respect. They will reciprocate by making sure they come to you at any time. Then the last step you should take in growing your business is that you must evaluate your business. Self-evaluation is very important. You must be true to yourself. Daily, monthly, quarterly business evaluation is important. What was your turnover last month? What was your turnover last week? Then you have to consider, why is your business, your sales, why is it decreasing? What are those things you need to do? Ask your staff. Ask yourself. Then you have to engage experts. You cannot know everything all. You have to get a mentor who has succeeded in that area of business to help you or to advise you. Then the last thing you consider under this evaluation is what we call try corporate service responsibility. It is not expensive. People think corporate service responsibility, you have to be responsible to people around you. During festive period, what do you do for your customer? You can buy maybe handkerchief and brand it and give it to them. It may not cost you anything. They will feel, the customers will feel honor. They will know you remember them, and those are the factors that may make your business to grow. In conclusion, planning, branding, customer service and retention, and business evaluation are major factors required in growing your business. Keep winning. For more inquiries, for our ebook and other ebooks you need to visit our website www.businessonlineforyou.com, or call this number or chat this number +234 080 or you can send an email to us, remiogunshola@gmail.com or sorenventures2018@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day.